Hi friends, welcome to Maria's Health and Beauty Tips channel. Today we are going to see egg and its benefits as well as side effects of eating egg. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids and in the right ratios. This means your body can easily use proteins in eggs for maintenance and metabolism. Eating a high protein diet has been shown to boost metabolism to 80 to 100 calories a day through a process called the thermic effect of food. Health benefits of eating eggs. Incredibly nutritious. Eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet. A single large boiled egg contains note recommended dietary allowance, also known as RDA. Vitamin A 6% of RDA, folate 5% of RDA, vitamin B5 7% of the RDA, vitamin B12 9% of the RDA, vitamin B12 15% of the RDA. Phosphorus 9% of the RDA, selenium 22% of the RDA. Eggs also contains decent amounts of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium and zinc. This comes with 77 calories and 5 grams of healthy fats. Second benefit, high in cholesterol but don't adversely affect blood cholesterol. It is true that eggs are high in cholesterol. In fact, a single egg contains 212 milligram, which is over half of the recommended daily intake of 300 milligram. Eggs are high in cholesterol, but eating eggs does not adversely affect cholesterol in the blood for the majority of people. Third benefit, raises HDL. HDL stands for high density lipoprotein, otherwise it is known as the good cholesterol. It is often known as good cholesterol. Eating eggs is a great way to increase HDL. Eating eggs consistently leads to elevated levels of HDL, that is good cholesterol, which is linked to a lower risk of many diseases. Fourth benefit, it contains choline, an important nutrient that most people don't get enough of. Eggs are among the best dietary sources of choline, a nutrient that is incredibly important but most people aren't getting enough of. Fifth benefit are linked to a reduced risk of heart diseases. LDL cholesterol, that is otherwise known as low density lipoprotein. This LDL cholesterol is generally known as bad cholesterol. Egg consumption appears to change the pattern of LDL particles for small, dense LDL to large LDL, which is linked to a reduced heart disease risk. Sixth benefit, contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidant that have major benefits of eye health. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin are very important for eye health and can help prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs are high in both of them. Seventh benefit, omega-3 or pastured eggs lower triglycerides. Omega-3 enriched and pastured eggs may contain significant amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Eating these types of eggs is an effective way to reduce blood triglycerides. Eighth benefit, high in quality protein with all the essential amino acids in the right ratios. Eggs are fairly high in quality animal protein and contain all the essential amino acids that humans need. Ninth benefit, don't raise your risk of heart disease and may reduce the risk of stroke. Many studies have looked at egg intake and the risk of heart disease and found no association. However, some studies have found an increased risk in people with type 2 diabetes. 10th benefit are filling and tend to make you eat fewer calories, helping you lose weight. Eggs are highly satiating and may reduce calorie intake later in the day. Regularly eating eggs may promote weight loss. Side effects of eating eggs every day. The fat and the cholesterol found in eggs can harm heart health and lead to prostate cancer, colorectal cancer and diabetes. Most researchers have made a note that one must limit the daily intake of eggs. It should not exceed 1 or 2 eggs a day. Some body types are prone to allergies, flatulence or nausea due to the consumption of egg. Eggs contain biotin deficiency that can lead to hair loss, lack of muscle tone, cramp and pain in muscles. If you eat raw eggs, then you may suffer from biotin deficiency and will result in health problems. Doctors suggest that consuming of high protein diet is fatal for patients suffering from kidney illness. The high value of egg protein can severely damage the capability of kidneys to filter toxins from the blood and sometimes lead to loss of life. After watching this video, kindly give your comments, likes, share, subscribe the channel by clicking the bell icon and tapping the all button to get further notification of all posted videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.